Mzench Technology Company was established in 2011 at Shenzhen City. It's a national high-tech enterprise in China, as China's leading provider of rugged tablet and mobile terminal product. Mzench Technologies Rugged Computers has an industry-wide product line that includes rugged table, rugged handheld devices, rugged embedded terminals and special industry terminal equipment, and customer and partner projects covering network communications, industrial control, energy, medical precision instrument, aerospace, automotive electronics, consumer electronics, finance, power measurement and control, digital education, security, surveillance, government, corporate, military and service. After many years, persistent efforts, and innovation, our enterprise has gained in the high-speed development period. The R&D technology of our products become mature. Our products had passed 3C, FCC, CE, RoHS, ATEX explosion-proof certifications etc., and also with more than 50 intellectual property patents. Mzench always adheres to the tenet of independent research and technological and based on refined production with the continuous development of quality as the driving force. Excellent after-sales service as the guarantee and high-tech products as the core competitiveness of the enterprise. Welcome to Mzench Technology.